Today I am here with Claire from Smith Douglas Homes, and we are going to tour the model home behind us. And Claire, I think it's so easy to, when you tour a luxury home that's, let's say it's $500,000 and there's so many things to offer, but I think people at home are going to be surprised at the value of a home from Smith Douglas, and this one is only at $200K.
That's right, this Foxcroft ranch plan is a popular ranch plan for us, and while we build this in several communities across the southeast, the price really varies depending on that location. But this particular community that we're in today, and this home is about $200,000.
All right, well, let's go inside. All right, well, as we come in, I notice the first bedroom is right here on the left.
That's right, one of 3 bedrooms in this floor plan. You could even use this as a nursery or a home office.
Yes, like nice to have options with your bedrooms these days, that's for sure. And okay, so look at this open floor plan. I know that buyers love an open floor plan, and this is fantastic.
We really maximize that square footage in this space right here, and I think it's from the 9-foot ceilings.
Now, also in model homes, you know, a lot of times you guys do upgrades. So are there any upgrades in here?
You know, the kitchen island is standard within this home, overlooking that open family room. We did upgrade modestly to include the 36-inch upper cabinets, the tile backsplash, the refrigerator, and the pendant lights, but still with all of those upgrades, we're still at about $215,000.
Wow, that's incredible to get so much for that price. And like we mentioned with the open floor plan, I love the island that then goes into the dining area and into the living area. It just is such a great space for the family. And now I know that there's also 2 other bedrooms that we need to check out. Well, Claire, I can see right here we have our second bedroom, which is set up as an office, which is great for so many people that work from home these days. Yeah. And here we are in the primary suite. Okay, I love that it's at the back of the house.
That's right, for maximum privacy. This also has 2 closets, one of which is walk-in. And you know, we had talked in the kitchen about some of those upgraded features in this model home. In here we have ceiling fans. We also have blinds throughout the home, but even with those upgraded features, we're still only at $215,000.
That really is an incredible value. Claire, other things to mention about this home is there's private laundry, there's also a 2-car garage, so for people that are renting out there, they can enjoy those conveniences and own their own home.
They really can, and even at the base configuration, there still are a number of selections that can be made. Our model home here at Collington in Dalton is open daily. They can also visit us online at smithdouglas.com, call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. And as she mentioned, this model is open daily. So you can come and check out this adorable Foxcroft model right here at Collington in Dalton.